The sound effects in this game are kind of cool. Entering the Sachi building, you hear chill Japanese music. But then you go to the dance floor, and EDM music makes you want to hit some moves. In the casino lounge, you can hear the crowd talking, people laughing, chatting. It feels alive. I can't wait for the game Bound in Gold. It's a crazy modern cyberpunk laser dodging game. Was that Roar? Is Godzilla inside? I got scared from that roar, so I took a chill walk on the bridge. These birds are calming me. Then I teleported to the game Frenzy Fireworks. It's pirate vibes and seagull vibes. You put your rocket jetpack and you fly until you explode. Want to see it yourself? Check out Sachi.game.